Hello students, welcome to iExamD. Embrace the iExamD learning experience. Students, today in this video, I'll be discussing some of the important terms which you must have come across while studying the company's app, and otherwise also you must have come across those words. But before we move ahead with our today's discussion, let me give you a good news over here that iExamD is bringing an exam excellence sale wherein we are celebrating our 750 plus selections from 2022 to 2024. So in this particular exam excellence sale, we are offering a flat 50% discount on all our courses. So if you are preparing for any of the competitive exams and you want to enroll for our course, you can go ahead and avail this opportunity जहाँ पे कि आपको 50% डिस्काउंट मिल रहा है सभी कोर्सेज पे। इसके लिए आप यूज कर सकते हो कूपन कोड सिलेक्शन एंड बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस सेलिब्रेशन एंड यू कैन बी द नेक्स्ट विद whom we can celebrate this particular excellence journey of ours. Now moving ahead with our today's discussion, जैसा कि मैंने आपको ऑलरेडी बता दिया, कंपनीज एक्ट से रिलेटेड कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट टर्म्स हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. And what are those terms? If we look onto that, they are the term company and body corporate or corporation. So you must have come across these words, these terms very frequently while studying the company's act and otherwise also, as I mentioned. So is there any difference between these terms company, body corporate, corporation, or they mean one in the same? So if you're thinking no, they are different terms, they are different words, then you are correct. Yes, there is a difference between these terms and the Companies Act has also defined them under different sections. So first we'll be looking on to what the definition aspect is there in the Companies Act, and then we will be moving on to our further discussion. If we talk about the definition, first we'll be looking on to the definition of company. तो कंपनी को डिफाइन किया गया है कंपनीज एक्ट के सेक्शन 2 क्लॉज 20 में, जहाँ पे की कंपनी का डेफिनेशन है कंपनी इनकॉर्पोरेटेड अंडर दिस एक्ट विच इज द 2013 एक्ट और द प्रीवियस कंपनी लॉ दैट इज द 1956. So this is what a company means as per the Companies Act definition clause. Now if we look onto the body corporate, तो इसे भी डिफाइन किया गया है सेक्शन 2 क्लॉज 11 में, और इसके डेफिनेशन को अगर हम देखें तो हम कह सकते हैं कि ये डेफिनेशन से ज्यादा इंक्लूसिविटी शो कर रहा है. What all is included in the term body corporate? So it includes a company incorporated outside India but does not include. So certain things have been included and certain not. What are those? A cooperative society which is registered under the Cooperative Societies Act and all, and any body corporate which will be coming into existence by the central government notification. So they are not to be considered to be your body corporate. Okay, so this is from the definition angle. So based on this definition, we can see that body corporate includes all the companies which are incorporated in India or it be incorporated outside. However, it includes the cooperative societies and central government notified institutions. इनको basically नहीं consider किया गया है. तो किन चीजों को consider किया जाएगा and can be termed as body corporate, they have been provided, and the excluding aspect has also been mentioned. Generally cooperative societies and all को इसलिए exclude किया गया है because it is basically not mandatory that cooperative societies should be registered only. They can be registered, they cannot be registered. So based on the features, we will be seeing that because of this registration aspect which is not mandatory, cooperative societies have been excluded from the body corporate term. Now, why is the term defined? Why the body corporate term has been defined? Why is it needed? What is the use of that term? So body corporate is basically, again, if we look on to from the feature aspect, it is an association of persons who are having features such as incorporated under any law, separate legal identity, perpetual succession, can sue and be sued. Again, ये features देख के आपको ऐसा लग रहा है ये तो कंपनीज के बारे में ही बोला जा रहा है, कंपनी का ही फीचर है. तो why again the term body corporate? There is a need for the term body corporate. Why? Because जब हम कंपनी बोलते हैं इसका मतलब है from the definition of the Indian Companies Act, it is the companies which have been incorporated in the Indian Companies Act or the previous Companies Act. But it is mentioned over here in the first feature, incorporated under any law. So under any law, even if it is incorporated, it is being termed as a body corporate. Okay, so whether it is a company incorporated in India, it is a statutory company, then if it is a foreign company, it is LLP. All these basically are together termed as body corporate. So जब भी कोई provision applicable है इन सभी के कंपनी के, statutory कंपनी के, foreign कंपनी के, LLP के, तो वहाँ पे इन सारे टर्म्स को अलग अलग यूज नहीं करके एक टर्म बॉडी कॉर्पोरेट को यूज किया जा रहा है. So you can say it is an umbrella term. Okay, it is one term which is being used for all these to refer all these. So it is much wider, you can say, than what a company means. So that way, all of these when termed together, we can refer them to as a body corporate. अब ये जब हमने देखा फीचर्स और डेफिनेशन, तो उससे हमें क्या समझ में आया कि हम कह सकते हैं कि जो कंपनी है दैट इज अ बॉडी कॉर्पोरेट, बट जरूरी नहीं है कि हर बॉडी कॉर्पोरेट जो है कंपनी होगी ही. एंड दैट इज व्हाई इट इज वेरी कॉमनली सेड दैट एवरी कंपनी दैट इज अ बॉडी कॉर्पोरेट, बट नॉट एवरी बॉडी कॉर्पोरेट इज अ कंपनी. बिकॉज अगर एक बॉडी कॉर्पोरेट में हम देखें तो फॉरेन कंपनी आती है. क्या एक फॉरेन कंपनी कहलाएगी एज पर द इंडियन कंपनीज एक्ट? नो, अनटिल अनलेस वो फॉरेन कंपनी का कोई सब्सिडरी कंपनी हो इंडिया में विच इज रजिस्टर्ड अंडर द कंपनी एक्ट 2013, देन इन दैट केस इट विल बी रेफर्ड टू एज अ कंपनी. अदरवाइज वो जो है बॉडी कॉर्पोरेट ही टर्म किया जाएगा. तो ये एक ब्रॉडर टर्म है जो कि बहुत सारी चीजों को इंक्लूड करता है, एंड दिस इज वन ऑफ द स्पेसिफिक टर्म्स बीइंग यूज्ड. अब क्वेश्चन आता है कि बहुत सारे कंपनीज है, जैसे कंपनी में अगर हम देखें तो हमारा आ जाएगा रिलायंस है, टाटा, ऑल दीज आर द कंपनीज. सो दे आर टर्म्ड एज अ कंपनी बिकॉज रजिस्टर्ड अंडर द इंडियन कंपनीज एक्ट. देन देयर आर मेनी ऑफ द फॉरेन कंपनीज लाइक एप्पल इंक एंड ऑल. सो दे आर अगेन टर्म्ड एज अ बॉडी कॉर्पोरेट. नाउ इफ वी टॉक अबाउट द subsidiaries of these foreign companies, if they are incorporated under the Companies Act as the subsidiary of that particular foreign company, then they will be termed as a company. I hope the term body corporate and company is clear, and why the definition or why both these terms have been defined under the Companies Act. You have understood the reason behind that. So with this, we come to an end of our today's discussion. So stay tuned to our channel by subscribing to the channel so that you can prepare for your exams 50% faster with us at iExamD.